Hey guys, hope you're fine. So today let's fry some grasshoppers. So first wash them, remove the wings, the legs, wash them, then we fry them. Just put them in a dry pan, no oil, no butter, nothing. And then just fry them. It's a stir fry, so just continue stirring and make sure they don't burn. And for the heat, make sure the heat is medium, because if it's too much heat, they're just going to burn and they won't be ready. They'll just burn. Yeah. So the insects and very yummy ones, and it's a staple like in my country. Whenever they're in season, people really enjoy them. So make sure to watch your pan so that they don't burn. So this is how they look like a few minutes into the cooking. Yes, so what I normally do, I don't add salt direct. So I put the salt in water and then I pour some water on the grasshoppers. It's better for them to infuse in the salt that way and continue frying. I do it like 2 times. I do it the first time, then I fry, then I do it like the next time. Yeah, you need to season them very well. They come out very yummy if well seasoned. So I'm adding in more water and just continue to fry them. Make sure the heat is low. So I'm just going to add in some fresh red onions and add them when the grasshoppers are almost ready, because if you add them earlier on, they'll burn. So you make sure you add them when they're almost cooked. And this recipe is kind of different because people normally just add onions, but I decided to try out something different. So I'm adding onions and I'm also adding in bell peppers, that is the green, yellow and red. I want to see how it comes out. The bell peppers, especially the red and the yellow, have a sweet taste. So I want to see how they come out, and at the end I'll be telling you how they taste. And of course they look colorful. Make sure you get fresh ones. So this is how they look. Thank you guys for watching.